Guys, if you like this type of videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and enjoy. Carlsbad, California. Carlsbad is a coastal city in the North County region of San Diego County, California, United States. The city is 87 miles, 140 kilometers, south of downtown Los Angeles and 35 miles, 56 kilometers, north of downtown San Diego. As of the 2020 census, the population of the city was 114,746. Carlsbad is a popular tourist destination and home to many businesses in the golf industry. History. Carlsbad's history began with the Luiseno people, the Spanish name given to them because of their proximity to Mission San Luis Rey, as well as some cuisines in the La Costa area. Nearly every reliable freshwater creek had at least one native village, including one called Palomai. The site is located just south of today's Buena Vista Lagoon. The first European land exploration of Alta California, the Spanish Portola expedition of 1769, met native villagers while camped on Buena Vista Creek. Another Luiseno villages within today's city of Carlsbad was a village at the mouth of the San Marcos Creek that the Cuisines called Ajapunkwile. A Cuisine village that was visited by Portola was Jacutl in the Rancho Ponderosa area. During the Mexican period, in 1842, the southern portion of Carlsbad was granted as Rancho Agua Hedionda to Juan Maria Marin. In the 1880s, a former sailor named John A. Fraser dug a well in the area. He began offering his water at the train station, and soon the whistle stop became known as Fraser Station. A test done on a second freshwater well discovered the water to be chemically similar to that found in some of the most renowned spas in the world, and the town was named after the famed spa in the Bohemian town of Carlsbad, now Karlovy Vary, Czech Republic. To take advantage of the find, the Carlsbad Land and Mineral Water Company was formed by a German-born merchant from the Midwest named Gerhard Schutte together with Samuel Church Smith, D.D. Wadsworth, and Henry Nelson. The naming of the town followed soon after, along with a major marketing campaign to attract visitors. The area experienced a period of growth, with homes and businesses sprouting up in the 1880s. Agricultural development of citrus fruits, avocados, and olives soon changed the landscape. By the end of 1887, land prices fell throughout San Diego County. However, the community survived on the back of its fertile agricultural lands. The site of John Fraser's original well can still be found at Alt Carlsbad, a replica of a German Hanseatic house, located on Carlsbad Boulevard. In 1952, Carlsbad was incorporated to avoid annexation by its neighbor, Oceanside. The single-runway Palomar Airport opened in 1959 after County of San Diego officials decided to replace the Del Mar Airport. The airport was annexed to the city of Carlsbad in 1978 and renamed McClellan Palomar Airport in 1982 after a local civic leader, Gerald McClellan. The first modern skateboard park, Carlsbad Skate Park, was built in March 1976. It was located on the grounds of Carlsbad Raceway and was designed and built by inventors Jack Graham and John O'Malley. The skate park was closed in 1979, leaving Del Mar Skate Ranch approximately 20 minutes away as the nearest skate park for residents such as Tony Hawk. The site of the original Carlsbad Skate Park and Carlsbad Raceway was demolished in 2005 and is now an industrial park. However, two skate parks have since been developed. In March 1999, Legoland, California was opened. It was the first Legoland theme park outside of Europe and is currently operated by Merlin Entertainments. Merlin Entertainments owns 70% of the shares, and the remaining 30% is owned by the Lego Group and Kirkby AOS. Carlsbad is home to the nation's largest desalination plant. Construction of the Carlsbad desalination plant at the Encina Power Station was completed in December 2015. The Encina Power Station is currently being demolished, despite efforts to preserve it as a historical landmark. Geography. According to the United States Census Bureau, the city has a total area of 39.1 square miles, 101 square kilometers, of which 37.7 square miles, 98 square kilometers, are land and 1.4 square miles, 3.6 square kilometers, are 3.55% water, the majority of which is contained within 3 lagoons and 1 lake. The northern area of the city is part of a tri-city area consisting of northern Carlsbad, southern Oceanside, and western Vista. The Oceanside cliffs fronting wide white sand beaches and mild climate attract vacationers year-round. Types of households in Carlsbad City, California in 2015 to 2019. 56.6% was married couple households, 5.1% was cohabiting couple households, 13.6% male householder no spouse, 24.7% female householder no spouse. I would like to thank you for watching my videos. Continue with the beautiful images of this place. Subscribe to my channel. Click like to let me know you like the video. Comment where else you would like me to make more videos, and share with the people you would like to bring here.